Rollercoaster crash. A massive bowl of white rice or a sweet muffin hits the stomach like an energy bomb. Life feels amazing for exactly 30 minutes. Then the bottom drops out. Refined carbs break down instantly, unleashing a flood of glucose straight into the bloodstream. The pancreas panics, assumes a medical crisis is happening, and dumps a massive tidal wave of insulin to clear the blood. Insulin works way too fast. By 2 p.m., blood sugar crashes below normal baseline levels. The brain panics because it runs on glucose. It assumes starvation is happening inside a cave and triggers alarm bells that demand fast-burning emergency fuel right away. Staring at the break room box of donuts with wild eyes at 2:30 p.m. is not weak willpower. It is a direct biological survival panic triggered by a crash. Brain hijack. The brain consumes roughly 20% of daily energy while preferring absolute shortcuts to stay fueled. Eating a sugary snack releases a massive surge of dopamine, the exact neurochemical signal that screams, "Do that again right now." The brain remembers that easy shortcut permanently. The moment boredom hits, focus fades during work, or an annoying email arrives, the internal reward system demands a cheap dopamine hit. The body does not actually need a pastry at 4 p.m. The brain just wants a quick burst of easy chemicals to make sitting at a computer desk feel tolerable for another hour. Sleep deficit. Staying up until 2 a.m. scrolling guarantees the entire diet falls apart by noon the next day. Missing out on a deep sleep completely destroys the hormonal balance controlling appetite. Ghrelin, the hormone that screams, "Feed me right now," skyrockets to extreme levels. At the exact same time, leptin, the hormone that tells the brain, "Stop eating, the stomach is full," completely shuts off. To make things worse, the logical prefrontal cortex goes offline from fatigue. The primitive, impulsive part of the brain takes total control of choices, making an entire box of cookies look like a reasonable, high-priority adult decision. Threat mode. A stressful workday puts the nervous system into a continuous, low-grade fight-or-flight state. The adrenal glands pump cortisol straight into the bloodstream. The body misinterprets mental stress as a physical predator chasing it through the woods, demanding rapid energy to survive the attack. The brain does not want slow-digesting chicken breast or salad in a crisis. It demands fast-acting, high-density calories. Sugar provides the fastest emergency fuel known to human biology. Hearing a boss yell or dealing with a deadline forces the nervous system to demand candy just to prepare for a fight that is never coming. Microbe rebels. Trillions of microscopic bacteria living inside the gut actively control daily food choices from the inside out. Specific families of gut microbes feed exclusively on simple sugars and refined carbohydrates. Feeding them junk food causes their population to explode overnight. When those microbes get hungry, they release chemical signaling molecules that travel directly up the vagus nerve straight into the brain, altering mood and forcing specific food cravings. That sudden 10 p.m. urge to eat ice cream is often not a personal thought at all. It is literally millions of hungry gut bacteria remote controlling the brain to get their dinner. Mineral deficits. Sometimes an intense craving is just the body using terrible communication skills to ask for basic minerals. Magnesium regulates over 300 enzyme systems, including how cells process energy and manage insulin sensitivity. When magnesium levels drop low, cells struggle to extract energy from normal food, making the brain send false panic signals demanding fast sugar. Nature stores massive amounts of magnesium inside raw cocoa beans. Hunting through kitchen cabinets specifically for dark chocolate at night is often just the body begging for magnesium in the most dramatic way possible.